Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable vibration for Telegram channels only when your phone is on silent. This is a really useful setting if you don't want constant buzzing during the day, but still want to stay updated when your device is muted. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where all your customization options live. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts behave across chats, groups, and channels. Now, look for the option labeled Channel and tap on it. This is where you can adjust notifications specifically for Telegram channels. Once you're in the channel settings, tap on More Options to reveal additional notification controls. From there, tap on Vibrate. You'll see several vibration options available. To finish, select Only on Silent. This setting ensures your phone will vibrate for channel updates only when your device is in silent mode, helping you avoid unnecessary interruptions while still staying informed when it matters most. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Telegram notifications to be smarter and less intrusive. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore other notification settings to fine-tune your experience even further.